Ectopic pregnancy is a condition where the fertilized egg doesn't get implanted in the uterine cavity. Ectopic pregnancy में implantation fallopian tubes या फिर ovaries या फिर abdominal या pelvic cavity में हो जाता है. One of the commonest places of ectopic pregnancy are tubes and it's called tubal pregnancy.
इसके कई रीजंस होते हैं जैसे फैलोपियन ट्यूब में ब्लॉकेज, प्रीवियस एक्टोपिक प्रेगनेंसी, स्कार फ्रॉम पेल्विक इन्फ्लेमेटरी डिसीज, फैलोपियन ट्यूब सर्जरीज, स्मोकिंग, age above 35 years, IVF treatments, STIs, endometriosis and infertility. It may even happen if you have had an intrauterine device in place at the time of conception.
जनरली एक्टोपिक प्रेगनेंसी के सिम्टम्स नॉर्मल प्रेगनेंसी को मिमिक करती है और इसमें यूरिन प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट पॉजिटिव भी आ जाती है. Along with these, there are some unique symptoms which might point towards ectopic pregnancy, like mild vaginal bleeding, pelvic pain. If there is bleeding in the fallopian tube, then shoulder pain can also be experienced. You may also experience frequent urge for bowel movement. The symptoms may be different for every individual based on where the implantation has happened and which nerve is being irritated.
There is a risk of fallopian tube rupture in ectopic pregnancy if the site of implantation of egg is fallopian tube. Heavy bleeding inside the abdomen may also be experienced, which is physically manifested as lightheadedness, fainting or shock in general. This is a dangerous condition for the mother और ऐसे केसेस में immediate medical assistance लेना जरूरी होता है, नहीं तो internal bleeding होने के चांसेस रहते हैं. Ectopic pregnancy को normal pregnancy की तरह कंटिन्यू नहीं किया जा सकता.
But the good news is that one such case doesn't mean you cannot have normal pregnancy again. आप अपने बॉडी को डिटॉक्स कर सकते हैं और फिर से एक हेल्दी प्रेगनेंसी के लिए प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. If you have a risk factor for ectopic pregnancy or suffering from infertility, you can consult our panel of expert doctors through our website. If you have found this video useful, please do click on the like button, do subscribe to our channel and hit on bell icon for regular updates.